thumbnails in about 60 seconds using Clickly AI. Now, Clickly AI allows you to create magic thumbnails, clone your face, and access hundreds of templates modeled after successful videos that have received hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. Let's start by creating a magic thumbnail. And all the thumbnails that you see here are created with the magic thumbnail creator. First, click on Create New Thumbnail. And from here you can choose to use a YouTube video or a video transcript. Let's use this YouTube video that compares ClickFunnels 2.0 versus Go High Level. So let's copy the video URL and paste that into Clickly. And from here, Clickly analyzes the video. On the next screen, you can choose the video format 16:9 or 9:16. And next you can upload a reference image from your computer or paste a YouTube URL to extract an existing thumbnail and use it as a reference. You also have access to a library of different templates to choose from. And in this case, let's use this image for the comparison video. From here, you can choose which face clone you want to use on your thumbnail. And if you want to use a new face clone, simply click New Clone and upload a photo of yourself or the person you want to clone. Once selected, choose how many thumbnails you want to generate. And finally, click the button to make the magic happen. And check this out. In about 60 seconds, your thumbnail is ready. The second feature in the app, AI Face Cloning, allows you to clone your face in any expression. Simply upload your photo, choose one of the preset expressions, and optionally you can write a custom prompt for your image. For example, arms crossed, left hand pointing upright, looking excited. You can also use this feature to create images with backgrounds, for example, standing in front of a sports car. But in this case, we're going to use this image inside of one of our built-in templates. Now choose the image ratio and select the option to remove the background. Now click the button to generate your face clone. And if you forgot to remove the background, like in this example, you can always do it later with the background removal tool. Here you can see the same image with the background removed. Another feature lets you edit the image with AI. For example, let's change the color of the glasses to black. And check this out. Here is the edited image with the black glasses. And here's the original image with the excited expression, arms crossed, pointing upright. Now let's download this image and head over to the template library. Now, inside this library, you get access to hundreds of templates that are modeled after successful videos with hundreds of thousands of views, even millions of views. All of these templates can be edited directly inside the free Canva account. And check these out. Simply pick the template that you want to use. So let's take this one as an example. Click Edit in Canva. And the template opens directly in Canva, where you can customize every detail of the thumbnail. You also get multiple thumbnail variations and extra resources you can use. Now let's upload our cloned image and replace the existing one. And check this out. Your thumbnail is ready. And that is how you create scroll-stopping, high-click thumbnails in minutes using Clickly AI.